You're watching DDS TV. Well, on topping having to need fix 2 cars, the driver also has legal problems to worry about after committing this hit and run. So many people insist on their right-of-way and it's ridiculous. Right-of-way won't help you in a crash. It looks less like trying to squeeze through and more like a distracted driver didn't notice the car basically stopped in front of them and tried to dodge at the last second. The van driver tries to undertake the camera and can't do it. Then he gets so worked up he overtakes the camera illegally. Then they had to stop at the light 10 meters away and rage. Classic human error, singularly focused on the object they need to move for them to act and then acts. The driver said that the car that overtook the camera blocked him from the view. Looks like someone doesn't want to be forever young. When I see people doing that kind of stuff, I like to think that they really have to use the restroom.
That was it. Who made that up? Who made that up?
The driver was being aggressive and honking because the camera was yielding. Well, he was slapped with an expensive repair bill as he got 2 flats among other damages to his car.
That person gave them work, and she doesn't do that work. My guy went on the fucking cycle lane. What a legend.
To be fair to them, it's dark and the road markings don't seem all that good. It looks like a dedicated left-only lane and they probably don't know the area too well. They came back on the road carefully as well. The driver claimed that his brakes failed. Well, it's wet, probably had no tire tread, driving like an idiot, and the car doesn't have ABS, so he just stomped on his brakes, locked up, and slid. Unfortunately, the camera was rear-ended by the driver that was distracted talking to their significant other. Their car was totaled, but thankfully the camera's car wasn't. Well, the red car driver needed a quarter mile to make that turn. The impatient driver changed lanes without looking and checking if it's safe to do so. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddstv2@gmail.com. Additionally, if you use promo code DDSTV on USA-cams.com, you get 10% off and free shipping.